it's us again. We are back to the 360 video. So if you're using any mobile devices, you have to scroll your camera, your phone, and just like move like this. If you're watching by the TV, monitor, you can drag with your mouse. If you're watching by the smart TV, sorry, you get only one view.
Yeah, so today we are very privileged to be here at the Grand Mercure Roxy and to be given a chance to view their business suite.
It's beautiful, we like it.
The layout is actually quite interesting. So that's like the entrance, and then immediately, right, there's like a working space for you to do work. There's sufficient place for you to actually put your laptop, charge up your devices.
There are two universal power outlet over here and one 3-pin plug, and then I believe that could be good enough for anyone from around the world, and also the LAN cable for the internet. And there's also one power plug over here. And let's take a look what it is. Okay,
that's the mini bar.
Kettle, and then the instant coffee, the tea, and this is also a signage to show you the direction for the Muslim friend for the prayer. There is a fridge over here. It's empty right now. I believe that you can just like stock up everything that you need to have a good meal. Let's see what underneath is. Okay, that's nothing.
And then on this side of the room, right, before you step out, there's actually a full-length mirror for you to check your grooming before you actually step out of the room. And
let's move to that together.
Yeah, so in front of the working desk is where there is a bed, and
this is
bed sides
bigger, right?
Yeah,
the
so there's no bedside table.
Okay, it's too near already.
Oh, okay, sorry. There's no bedside table, but then there are
it's
like
a drawer, a slot for you to put stuff.
a cubicle for you to put your stuff.
Yeah, so there's one 3-pin plug that you can leave your devices to charge right over there. One thing that in this room there's a connecting door to the next room, so maybe that is good for you. A business trip, you need to come with your family's member, throw the kid on the next door, so you can have a perfect place to do your work.
Okay, so there's a nice big TV over here, and there are sofa and couches for you to lounge in.
The TV, if you scroll over there, the TV, I was told by the staff they will change to a better smart TV. So maybe in future when you stay in here, you can have a better TV to connect your devices to the TV to do your work or watch a show.
Shall we move on to the other area?
Yes, I think we like the bathroom very much. Hey, hang on. I would like to see what's inside the wardrobe. So maybe it's like you can have the idea to bring enough stuff to put inside. The safe is right over here. Very old school safe with the, I don't know,
credit card swipe.
So they'll provide the in-room slipper, 2 bathrobe, iron, steam iron, right, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, steam iron, and extra blanket or pillow on the top. So, and right over here, you can leave your luggages over here with 2 3-pin power plug over here. I can see that there's a lot of power plug in the room.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go to the washroom.
So the last part is the washroom.
Let's go. There is okay, come inside. Then I will close the door.
It's actually quite a nice space.
Yeah.
So there is a bathtub, and also there's a standing shower area with rain shower as well as the shower head.
The shower amenity is smell quite refreshing. Only the lotion is smell like baby talcum powder. Yeah, and the toilet bowl comes with a bidet. So if you want to be more environment friendly, you can use this to wash
instead of the toilet paper.
Yeah. So the bathtub, let's move nearer to the bathtub and see. Oh, and there's a TV over here.
A small TV.
I think this is the only room that have a TV in the shower room.
Yeah,
if I'm not wrong.
The bathtub is quite a sizable one.
Yeah.
So, I believe you can only have one person soak inside quite comfortably.
I think 2 is good enough. I mean, it's still a spacious place. Yeah.
Actually, this room has got this very resort feel to it, like those Bali, Thailand resort kind of hotel rooms.
And we actually stay in another room, kind of the very nice room, sea view. The bed, we love the bed very much. It's very comfortable. And I would say that the room rate for the hotel is very reasonable, very affordable. Yeah.
And in the vicinity, there are lots of like F&B offerings
Oh
and
yes, this around.
good shopping areas for you to just.
Just across the road, there's a very big shopping mall, and it's very near to the airport. So if you're having a connecting flight, come to stay over here for a good recharge is very good option. And then if you want to know about the breakfast and the club lounge, you have to watch our next video. We'll share about the experience with you. The gym is open 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. The swimming pool also 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. But I'm not sure, maybe they'll change the timing.
Yeah.
So with more accurate information, you can always email to the hotel to check for more accurate
Or
information.
check their website.
Yep. So with that, I hope you like this room tour of this business suite. I like it very much, and I hope when you all stay here, this video is helpful for you to choose the room in this hotel at the Grand Mercure Singapore Roxy.
Yeah.
Goodbye. Bleh.